am Tony Robinson, owner of Stilettos and Screwdrivers Electronic Repair Company. We take care of the Middlesex County as well as other places due to us being mobile. What we do is we repair all electronic devices, be it computers, laptops, if you have DJ equipment, whatever electronic device that you own, we can probably repair it. I started my business in April of 2014, and what inspired me was my children. Being that I am in the technology industry, I was doing electronic repair as a trade already. So I wanted to be home. I wanted to be able to create my own schedule. I wanted to have something that was my own. So that drove me to find a niche that I will be able to capitalize on, and this is where Stilettos and Screwdrivers came from. Advice that I would give new business owners is to become knowledgeable in all the factors of owning a business. In the accounting, handling your financials, it's really important to know exactly what a business needs to flourish. So that is the advice that I would give new business owners. Well, some of the challenges is that you do wear many hats. You are responsible for a lot. You're responsible for the marketing. You are responsible for the administrative side. So being able to balance your time, being able to have a regimented schedule and give each portion of the business enough attention. The most favorite part of owning my own business is to say that it's mine. To have something that I've invested my time and my finances in, to say that it's mine is the best thing ever. I'm Tony Robinson, owner of Stilettos and Screwdrivers. Thank you for watching another episode of UpStart.
All right.